Paella is a traditional Spanish dish that is made with rice, chicken, shrimp, clams, tomatoes, peppers, peas, and other ingredients depending on the region. Here's a basic recipe for making paella. Ingredients: 400 grams rice, 4 chicken thighs, 12 shrimp, 500 grams clams, for example mussels, 1 large onion, 2 bell peppers, 3 cloves garlic, 2 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon saffron, 1 lemon, salt, pepper, olive oil, 1 liter chicken broth. Instructions: 1. Cut the chicken into smaller pieces and season with salt and pepper. 2. In a heated pan with olive oil, sauté the chicken until it turns golden brown. 2. Remove the chicken and set it aside. 3. In the same pan, add chopped onion and garlic and sauté until they become translucent. 4. Add chopped bell peppers and diced tomatoes and sauté until the tomatoes break down. 5. Add rice, paprika powder, and saffron and mix well. 6. Pour in the chicken broth, season with salt and pepper, and cook over low heat for about 20 minutes until the rice is cooked. 7. Halfway through the cooking process, add the shrimp and clams and cook until the clams open up. 8. Finally, add the chicken back on top of the paella and squeeze fresh lemon juice on top. 9. Cover the paella and let it sit for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy the delicious Spanish paella.